Welcome back to my channel, Shopify Dropshipping Business, a comprehensive guide. Introduction: Dropshipping has emerged as one of the most popular e-commerce business models, allowing entrepreneurs to sell products without holding inventory. Among the platforms available, Shopify is one of the most preferred for building a dropshipping store due to its ease of use, extensive app ecosystem, and seamless integrations with suppliers. This guide will cover everything you need to know about starting, running, and scaling a Shopify dropshipping business. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where the seller does not keep products in stock. Instead, when an order is placed, the seller purchases the item from a third-party supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. This eliminates the need for warehousing and upfront inventory costs. How dropshipping works: 1. Customer places an order. A customer buys a product from your Shopify store. 2. Order is sent to supplier. The order details are automatically sent to your supplier. 3. Supplier ships the product. The supplier packages and ships the product directly to the customer. 4. You earn a profit. You keep the difference between the supplier's price and the retail price you set. Why choose Shopify for dropshipping? Shopify is an all-in-one e-commerce platform that simplifies the process of setting up an online store. Here's why Shopify is a great choice for dropshipping. 1. Easy to use. Shopify provides a user-friendly interface, allowing anyone to set up a store without technical expertise. Its drag and drop functionality makes website customization simple. 2. Customizable storefront. Shopify offers a variety of themes that can be customized to match your brand. You don't need coding knowledge, but you can use HTML and CSS for advanced customizations. 3. Seamless supplier integration. Apps like Aberlo, Deezers, Spocket, and Zendrop make it easy to import products from suppliers like AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, and as EU-based vendors. 4. Secure and reliable. Shopify ensures secure transactions and a reliable shopping experience. It provides SSL encryption, PCI compliance, and secure payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, and Shopify Payments. 5. Marketing and SEO tools. Shopify offers built-in SEO features, email marketing, and social media integrations. You can also use paid advertising tools like Facebook ads and Google ads. How to start a Shopify dropshipping business. Step 1. Choose a niche. A niche is a specific market segment that focuses on a particular product category. Selecting the right niche is crucial to your dropshipping success. Tips for choosing a niche. Passion and interest. Choose a niche you are passionate about. Market demand. Use tools like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, and e-commerce reports to find trending products. Low competition, high demand. Avoid highly competitive niches dominated by big brands. Profitability. Look for products with a healthy profit margin, at least 30–50. Popular dropshipping niches: pet accessories, home improvement and decor, fitness and health products, tech gadgets and accessories, sustainable and SEO-friendly products. Step 2. Create a Shopify store. Setting up Shopify. 1. Sign up. Visit Shopify.com, https://shopify.com, and sign up for a free trial. 2. Choose a store name. Pick a unique and brandable name. 3. Select a Shopify plan. Start with the basic plan 39 month. and upgrade as you scale. 4. Pick a theme. Use free themes like debut or premium themes for advanced customization. 5. Customize your store. Add a logo, banner, and brand colors. Step 3. Find suppliers and import products using Aberlo or Deezer's AliExpress. 1. Install Deezer's or Aberlo from the Shopify app store. 2. Search for products on AliExpress or other platforms. 3. Import products to your store with a single click. Alternative suppliers. Spocket as EU-based suppliers. 4. Faster shipping. Shopify Dropshipping, custom branding and faster delivery. Zendrop automated fulfillment, and better shipping options. Step 4. Set product prices ***. To ensure profitability, use the cost plus markup formula. Selling price equals supplier cost plus profit margin. A good pricing strategy is the 3x rule. If a product costs $10, sell it for $30. Step 5. Optimize your product pages. Your product pages should be engaging and conversion-friendly. Key elements of a winning product page: high-quality images, use professional images and videos, compelling descriptions, highlight product benefits, trust badges, display money-back guarantee and secure checkout, clear pricing and discounts. Show the original and discounted prices, customer reviews, social proof. Increases trust. Step 6. Set up payment gateways. Shopify supports multiple payment methods including Shopify Payments for seamless transactions, PayPal trusted by many customers, Stripe for credit or debit card payments. Other options: Klarna, Apple Pay, Google Pay. Step 7. Configure shipping settings. Free shipping strategy. Many stores use free shipping to attract buyers. E-packet shipping. If using AliExpress, select e-packet for faster delivery. Set customer expectations. Clearly state shipping times, 10-20 days if using AliExpress. Conclusion: starting a Shopify dropshipping business is a great way to enter e-commerce with low upfront costs. By following this guide, choosing a profitable niche, finding reliable suppliers, marketing effectively, and providing excellent customer service, you can build a successful and scalable business. While challenges exist, persistence and continuous learning will help you succeed in the long run. Start your Shopify dropshipping journey today and take advantage of this growing industry. Thanks for watching.